I'm going to do the Kali, Goddess Kali stretch with actually the supported like a chair. You can use a chair. Here I have a really comfortable sofa. Also behind I have a very good the glass panel. It's really can give the very nice grip. I do some lateral extension and twisting with this variation. Watch me here. It's a very nice erector stretch. The alignment here, you have to keep the ankle direct under the knee joint. See? Just like this. This alignment fine. You can slightly move as much as possible. Right here. Just stay for a few breaths here. Watch me. Seems it's fine. Next thing. See? But you should not move a leg or thigh. You have to still keep the knee joint under the thigh. Contact the sofa. Slowly move here first to the basic one. Just I stay only 3 breathing. You can keep your wrist very closer. Also fine. 2, 1. From here, I'm slowly keeping my arms straight and move. Just I'm actually using the fingertips fine already. After a few breaths, if you can go maximum. Just like this. And slowly come back. Here, same stretch we are going to do the counter posture. The first one, keep the elbow here is okay. If you can, keep the wrist closer and just stay here. Same 3 to 5 breath fine. Next, you slowly keep the elbow straight and reach. But make sure your hip should not raise up. Your knee joint should not go in. Always push out and closer to the sofa. Stay for 3 to 5 breaths. If you can keep the palms on the floor also fine, that's up to you. Slowly come back. Now I'm going to do the twisting. Same, keep the leg always closer, okay? Closer to the sofa. It should contact it. Then I'm actually going, yes, here. On my right arm pushing against the side of the knee joint under the thigh. I'm slowly finding the panel here. See my shoulder? It's a very nice rotation, like a adduction stretch. Also it stretches the pectoralis major, minor, rector, abdomen, obliques. See, just like this. After that I'm slowly moving still. I'm holding the panel, then I'm keeping my palms closer to the knee joint and pushing. See how it is. After a few breaths, more stretch, move slightly closer to the wall or panel. Then I am moving here to hold the panel. Sorry. After that, slowly coming back, finding my best twist. Same twisted, the counter twist. I'm keeping my palm same. See, finding the panel. Actually, it's a very good. The height of the panel exactly in line with shoulder height. Here. Just wait there for a few breaths. After that, you slowly move. I'm finding the panel here as well. I'm keeping my palms closer to the knee joint. fine. I'm super easy. Fine, my twist. Excuse me. You can stay around 30 seconds to 1 minute here. It's really help to improve the twisting of the spine, reduce the pain and the stress from the lower back and the thoracic region. Also focus on your chest and upper back. It also helps to expand your chest as well. Same, after few breath, then slowly back. Thanks for watching. Namaste.